Good morning to one and all. Respected chief guest, local manager, parents, teachers, and my dearest friends. I am Prem Sai from 7th standard. First of all, I'd like to wish all of you a very happy Children's Day. Today, November 14th, is celebrated as Children's Day. It is also celebrated as the birthday of Chachaji. Who is Chachaji? Yes, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister after the independence. He was born in Prayagraj, 1889, November 14th. He was a prominent leader of the Indian independence movement. He got educated in England, and after returning to India, he fought and struggled to bring independence to our nation. After India got independence, he advocated for children to have free and compulsory education. He also conducted a 5-year plan to provide free meals and education to children. Chachaji loved children beyond anything else. Children lovingly call him Chacha Nehru or Chachaji. He was the son of the famous lawyer Mr. Motilal Nehru and Mrs. Swaroop Rani Nehru. He was a friend to children and he kept them precious to his heart. He wrote one of the best books of Indian history during his 4-year custody in Ahmednagar. That book is called Discovery of India. Now, I would like to share with you a story of Chachaji that shows how much he loved children. One day at the Teen Murthy Bhavan, which is the residency of Jawaharlal Nehru, a banquet was conducted. All the guests were members newly selected for the parliament. The food was beautifully arranged on the table outside and the smell outspread almost everywhere. When they began to eat, Chachaji noticed a movement atop the wall. He looked up and saw a few children who had climbed the wall to see the great leader Nehru. They were poor since they had skinny bodies, weary faces and torn clothes. The servants started chasing them away, but suddenly Chachaji stood up and stopped them. Then he picked up his plate and walked towards the wall, and with a smile on his face, he gave it to one of the children. The boy was astounded and surprised, and he just looked at Chachaji for a few moments. The guests also stood in awe, looking at Chachaji. Then all of the guests decided and picked up their plates and did the same thing Chachaji did. They gave their plates to the children. Sadly, the legendary person Jawaharlal Nehru passed away in 1964, May 27. In the memory of Jawaharlal Nehru, November 14 was thereafter celebrated as Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated every year with enthusiasm, happiness, and most of all, fun. Schools and colleges and other educational institutes would come together and conduct many competitions, cultural activities, and fun activities, etc. Last but not least, though this hectic pandemic has physically separated us, we are still mentally united. So let's consider ourselves as good citizens and respect everyone around us. Like Chachaji said, we are the flower buds that blossom and spread the fragrance of good citizenship in India. We are the future of India. Happy Children's Day. Thank you. Jai Hind.